As the thrust to strengthen financial inclusion intensifies, members of the private sector are moving to make the process easier. This through the introduction of a new prepaid card which specifically targets the underbanked. TVJ's Andrew Laidley has the details.
It's estimated that the informal financial sector in Jamaica accounts for 40 to 45% of gross domestic product (GDP). That includes Jamaicans who don't put their money in banks, evade taxes, and refuse to do business with the public sector because of bureaucracy. But with a strong financial inclusion strategy now underway, the government is hoping to reduce that margin. And they're not doing it alone. Private sector members are now pitching in to play their part.
All right, well, this is very different from a debit card because it's not attached to a checking or savings account. It is a prepaid card. Also, there's limited KYC or documentation that's required because you're not opening a bank account. So it's, again, open to any and everybody, a lot easier to access. That's why we're going after the underbanked or unbanked market. So it's just really easy to access.
But CEO of Sagicor Bank, Shorvell Johnson, is reminding consumers that easy access does not mean there are no checks in place.
Although it's a seamless process, we still have to go through something. Maybe the persons who are doing backdoor dealing, I don't know if they don't have IDs, but the fact is up front you have to at least have your ID and your address verification so that we can give you the card.
And you won't get it for free. But Vice President of Payments at Sagicor Bank, Sabrina Cooper, says the fees will be minimal. She emphasized that the new prepaid card will also help in the fight to reduce robberies, as persons would be walking around with less cash.
So there's a lot of functionality that comes with it. Shopping online, reduced cash in your pocket. Safety and security is such a big topic these days. So we don't want to send our daughters, our children, our wives, anybody doesn't want to travel with too much cash in their pocket. So by having access to a prepaid card and a mobile wallet, it really eliminates the need to carry so much cash. So it really fits a lot of needs.
Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.